Well, hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. Guys, we have an amazing video for you today. I went and bought way too many Funko Pops, and I want to show you some of the new ones that are being added to my collection, and some of the new ones that are just out in general if you missed the releases. So guys, once again, welcome back. Please make sure if you like what we're doing here to smash that subscribe button and smash that like button. It really helps us out, gets this video out to other people that enjoy this type of content. So guys, we got a box from Ralphie's Funhouse. We've got some boxes from Amazon. We've got one that I picked up in general right here. We'll start it off with after the shout out to Roman Reigns, the head of the table right here, guys. We have Cody Rhodes, the American Nightmare, the new one. And if you could see in there, he even has a bruised shoulder. A very, very cool one in there. Actually, let's go ahead and open this because I don't think that you're going to get the effect of that bruised shoulder without me popping this thing open real quick and us taking a look at it. Because to tell you the truth, I'm as interested as you guys are in it. So here he is right here, the American Nightmare, Cody Rhodes. And you can see they even reflected his shoulder surgery right there. That is a cool pop. Very good job on that Funko. The detail on the pants, his tattoos. Funkos don't have necks, so we don't have a Cody neck tattoo. All right, so let's open this box right here from Ralphie's Funhouse. These are some that I had pre-ordered. They've been sitting around for a while. And sometimes with the smaller companies like Ralphie's Funhouse, Funko kind of gets to them a little late with the pre-orders. So some of these have been around. The new wave's already here. But I figured, honorable mention, let's show them off. They're going into the collection. The first one right here, the Roman Reigns with the 2 title belts. That's a pretty sick one. And yes, guys, I did grab the Hall of Fame cane drop from Fanatics. I know you guys are going to ask that, so I figure I'll let you know. So there's the Roman Reigns from the new drop. We've also got King Booker himself right here. Very, very cool one. Very cool one. We've also got Davey Boy Smith, the British Bulldog. Very, very cool one right there. And last but definitely not least, Liv Morgan. Back when she had the WWE women's strap right there. And you could check her out holding that strap. Very cool pop. Love these wrestling pops, as you know from my last videos. So those were a little that got here a little late, but they deserved an honorable mention, so I figured we'd open them up. Next, we've got this giant box right here from Amazon. These pre-orders started rolling in. I was like, let's get some. They're not all WWE figures, guys. I'm just letting you know now. All right. This one is... Oh, okay. I'm living up to my promise because these are not. They're all individually packed because they're fresh from Funko. These are from the amazing show, one of Carrie and I favorites, 1883. We've got Sam right here. Check that out. And on the back of these, you can see all of them from this series. That's Sam. This one right here. They've all came brand new in their individual sorters, which I'm going to end up putting them back in to store them for now. And this is Shay. How sick is that one? Oh yeah, and it's just the rest of the normal set, but that one is sick right there. All right. We did get a lot of new ones. I was toying with I was going to get these because I didn't get the Yellowstone ones. We love Yellowstone, don't get me wrong. We love all of them, but this one was one of our favorite little mini-series. And right here, we got Margaret. That one is cool. It's the same set on the back because it's these 6. Very cool, very cool. Margaret Dutton. Oh. 1883 was a great show. Carrie and I really liked it. Can't wait till Yellowstone comes back. That's going to be awesome too. Alyssa Dutton right there, guys. Check her out. Very cool one. That's the first one in the set, 1443. Don't really know what order we're opening them because they're all coming in brown boxes. But I will tell you that we did get the whole base set. Now, I'm not sure if there's any extra ones coming out on Funko Shop or if these are the only ones. Here's James Dutton right here. That one's sick too. Oh, how many of you guys love these shows? I love Western shows. I always have. So just let me know down below if you guys watch Yellowstone or any of those shows on Paramount, the Western ones. They're great. Me and Carrie both love them and look forward to seeing them. And this 1883, although it was kind of a mini-series, was a fantastic show. We got Thomas right here to finish out the set. So the set actually goes 1443. We've got 1444. 1445. 1446. Let's get these in somewhat 46. We've got 47 and we've got 48. So this is the complete base set from 1883 from the Paramount Network. A Yellowstone origin story pops. And these are sick. Love the show. Wanted to at least get the base set. Haven't actually gotten like a base set like this in a long time, but this one kind of sparked me to want to get one. So, you know, things bring us back to collecting sometimes in strange ways. So we've got the whole set, and as a lot of you OGs will go, Adam, they're people pops. Well, I'm over that for these, and I was over it for the Ozarks. So we've got another giant box from Amazon that I didn't look up before I came and did this video. So luckily, it does have 5 brand new pops in it, and not my Brillo pads or sponges. All right, the first new one we got from the new series is number 146, Kurt Angle right there. Very, very cool. And as you can see, some of the other ones that are considered from that wave right on the back. But that is Kurt Angle, number 146. Did not have him. Another one we just got was number 148. We got Shotzi right there. That's definitely a cool one. Some ones I could have thought of making way before Shotzi, but there we go. We got a Shotzi. They do that with wrestling ones sometimes. Oh, the next one is number 147. I was super excited about this new one. We got another Rowdy Roddy Piper, guys. Very cool, very cool. Love getting the OGs, but, you know, like I said, I can always think of some good wrestlers that don't get pops that should have pops. So, we'll see. And we got another one, which didn't make sense to me, of Braun Strowman with the nose ring. We haven't seen much of him. I'm not sure what's going on with him in WWE, but he hasn't been there for a long time. So, there he is. They got another one of him. And last but not least, we got another with the title, Ripping His Shirt Off. We've got a Hulk Hogan. This one is different from, I'm going to pull this one off right here. This little Walmart exclusive, pulling his shirt off here. Because this one is it the same? Yeah. It's pretty much the same except for the headbands. And this one has the title belt. So it is the same mold, the same pop. Except this one, he just has a headband that says Hulk. Let's take him out of the box and compare the differences, because the mold is exactly the same. Oh, there he goes. He escaped. So, we've got pretty much the same Hulk Hogan. This one's got him balding without the bandana, but it has the headband. This one has the headband, and that one has a WWE title belt, which is an actual little piece that, even though it looks like it's just painted on, it's not. So not the same, but very similar. Very similar. So guys, I hope you enjoyed some of my new pickups that are being added to my personal collection. Did you guys grab any of these? Let me know down below. Are you going to grab any of these now? Or did you not even know some of these were a thing? Let me know down below. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. But for now, this video's over, and BeardofPOP's out.